The financial technology market is exploding. According to Accenture, global investment in fintech has skyrocketed from $930 million in 2008 to more than $12 billion at the start of 2015. Fintech is opening up an incredible world of possibilities for both businesses and everyday people. And one of the fastest growing sectors in fintech is crowdfunding.
Crowdfunding is a worldwide movement. In 2015, Goldman Sachs claimed that globally, crowdfunding was potentially the most disruptive of all models of finance. Crowdfunding is a process where entrepreneurs can forego traditional funding models such as banks and look to large numbers of individuals, the crowd, to finance ventures in exchange for a return.
Globally, the UK is leading the equity crowdfunding sector, and there is plenty of room for growth, with opportunities now expanding into new areas such as property crowdfunding. It's transforming the alternative finance space in the UK.
Foundr is the crowdfunding platform in this $12 billion fintech sector that lets you follow the lead of experienced investors before committing to an opportunity. All our opportunities are funded to a minimum of 30% before they appear on the platform, meaning an investment has some serious backing before someone from the crowd commits.
As a team, Foundr has been working together for 7 years and has combined 52 years of experience in the private equity and crowdfunding space.
Through our investor-led focus, we aim to turn the existing crowdfunding success rate on its head to prove that the sector is a viable way for everyday investors to make genuine returns and show that equity crowdfunding has a sustainable future in the alternative finance space.
Generally, on other crowdfunding sites, success is measured by the amount of funds raised or the number of successful raises. To us though, success is about delivering investors timely exits and returns.
A number of the companies we've raised for are already well on their way to delivering returns to investors, and recently we facilitated a secondary market which successfully provided an exit for investors wanting to cash out early.
2 companies, after raising funds through Foundr, recently received private equity injections in excess of £2 million, while another received a $73 million commitment from Standard Chartered.
At Foundr, we go for quality over quantity. We are very selective in who we promote on our platform. When we find an opportunity that passes our rigid due diligence process, we first present it to our network of seasoned investors. They bring their knowledge of the markets and their expertise to bear on each opportunity, and it's only when they have backed a venture to a minimum of 30% that is presented to the crowd.
Whilst every investment comes with risks, this process effectively means that there is a second level of due diligence on our platform, where new investors can follow the lead of these experienced investors when it comes to committing to an opportunity.
But we don't just stop once the project is funded. Even after the money has been raised, we at Foundr keep in close contact with the entrepreneurs, performing regular reviews and sharing updates with investors via our platform.
Our objective at Foundr is to become one of the key players in the global equity crowdfunding market.
Our regulatory permissions are in place, our platform is facilitating transactions, and we are revenue generating. We're already changing the perception of what successful crowdfunding is, and we're looking forward to having the crowd shadow us and share in our success.